Hello everybody, my name is David with Johnson Ford in New Richmond. This is a 2019 Ford Fusion Hybrid, stock number 705710. This was a personal use vehicle. We just ran it through the shop, spent $1,300 so you don't have to. We put 4 new tires all the way around, windshield wiper blades, oil change, full synthetic. This vehicle is ready to go. Only 30,000 miles on this. Now this is a certified pre-owned. That means this went through a 172-point inspection through our certified shop. It comes with the remaining Ford factory warranty and a complimentary 12-month, 12,000 bumper-to-bumper warranty and a 7-year, 100,000 powertrain. So give me a call. Again, my name is David with Johnson Ford. The phone number is 715-246-3673. Please make an appointment to test drive this vehicle, which is loaded up, heated seats, air-conditioned seats, moonroof, leather, sync, navigation, you name it, it's got it. Come and see us today. Thank you.